Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting work and getting admin access. Save documents and close apps so nothing blocks shutdown. Once done, sign out extra users. Make sure fast startup settings are known because they affect a full power off. Now, try the simple action. Open Start, choose Power, then Shut Down. If you prefer a direct command, open an elevated prompt and run shutdown/s/t0 that forces immediate, full shutdown from the system level. Once you need a reliable, complete power off, make adjustments that prevent Windows from appearing off but still in a hybrid state. Disable fast startup and power options because it stores a hibernation image. This ensures a true power cycle. Next, run an elevated command. Shutdown/s/f/t0. This forces apps to close and initiates shutdown immediately. Also check Windows Update. Make sure no pending installs will restart the PC. These steps guarantee the machine actually loses power and session state. Finish by preventing automatic wake sources and checking firmware options. You should disable Wake on LAN and any wake timers in both Windows and the BIOS or UEFI. Make sure peripherals cannot power the system. Once configured, perform the shutdown command again to verify the PC stays off. If the machine restarts or won't power down, hold the physical power button for 10 seconds to force a hard power off. If that fails, unplug AC and wait 30 seconds to dissipate charge, then retry shutdown procedures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.